Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your iPhone and account so you can focus on building. Sign into Google in Chrome or Safari. Once done, navigate to sites. Google.com/new, the mobile web app loads a simplified editor. If you want faster access, add the page to home screen, tap Share, then add to home screen. Doing this reduces friction and avoids repeatedly typing URLs, so you can move straight into creating pages. Now you create and edit your site using the mobile editor. Tap the plus to start a new site and pick a template or blank canvas. Templates speed things up when you want structure. Add sections, then tap text boxes or images to edit. You can paste content, resize images, and embed links. Make layout adjustments and check navigation through the editor menu. This ensures your pages flow logically for visitors and mobile screens. Finish by publishing and verifying your site so others can visit it. Tap Publish, pick a site address, and set visibility, public or restricted to specific accounts. Then confirm. After publishing, open the link on your iPhone to test layout and navigation. Make sure images and embeds load. If you don't see changes, clear the browser cache or republish, and confirm you're signed into the same Google account. This resolves most sync and permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.